Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hummus in a Vitamix. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 can of chickpeas, 1/4 cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, and a pinch of salt. Having fresh, high-quality ingredients is key to achieving that delicious, authentic taste. Make sure your chickpeas are rinsed and drained well before you begin. Now, let's get blending. Add your rinsed chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, and salt into your Vitamix container. Begin blending on a low speed, then slowly increase to a high speed. Remember to use the tamper to push the ingredients down towards the blades. This helps create a smooth, consistent mixture without overworking your machine. Keep blending until everything is well combined. Achieving the perfect creamy texture is crucial for great hummus. Continue blending until the mixture is completely smooth, without any lumps. If your hummus appears too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water, one at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Don't forget to stop and scrape down the sides of the container occasionally to ensure all ingredients are incorporated evenly. Once your hummus is perfectly smooth and creamy, it's ready to serve. Transfer it to a beautiful serving bowl. For a classic presentation, drizzle a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil over the top and sprinkle with a pinch of paprika or fresh, chopped parsley. Any leftover hummus can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next snack.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.